name's Adam and this is Claudia, and today we're talking about how you can use Dr. K Kinesiology Tape for helping with tennis elbow or lateral elbow pain. So this particular type of injury is common in sports that involve racket use, so tennis obviously, hence the name, but it's also common in workplace settings as well, as a repetitive overuse injury relating to using a mouse or a keyboard or gripping or lifting type activities. So the taping can help to try and unload the insertion point of the muscles in the back of your forearm where we tend to get most of our pain. So first we're going to measure the length of our tape. So we're going to try and find the bony bump of the elbow, that's going to be our reference point. And we're going to start from above that, running down to not all the way down the arm, bearing in mind that when we pull the tape tight, it'll be longer than what we cut. So we're going to do our cut off our corners to avoid peeling. We're going to prepare our anchor point by folding and tearing on the fold and then creating a little tab that we can then grab onto. Make sure that that's wide enough that you get a reasonably solid anchor point for this particular application. So Claudia's going to put that on. We're going to find the bump on the outside of the elbow there, place that above. That's it. Give it a good rub to make sure it sticks well. Peel back that tape most of the way, and at this point we're not going to worry too much about the tension, we're just going to try and take the backing off. And then once you get it most of the way down, just let it hang a little bit, give it a bit more of a rub at the end there to keep it on, and then come back and we're going to aim for our 50% tension, create that 50% tension, stick down, fold it down nice and neat. Last little piece is going to come off the end there at no tension at all. Making sure that while we're doing our application, the elbow is straight and the wrist is flexed forwards. And then we're going to do a horizontal piece as well. We're going to aim to run this over the bump on the elbow. So we're going to cut corners again, fold and tear along our fold. Now this piece is going to start on the inside of the elbow, so we're aiming to try and run over our little bump there. So Claudia can take our little piece, and we're going to stick it on the inside. Oops, I didn't have the tape over. That's it. And we're going to peel off most of the way again, like we've done before. And then try and put a reasonable amount of tension on this one, but avoid trying to bunch the skin as much as you can. Once you get to the edge of the tape, we can stick it down. Yep, that's okay. Good job, and then peel off the edge. So for this particular type of lateral elbow pain, it's usually an overuse injury, and the overuse components need to be evaluated effectively to resolve the problem. So that might be ergonomically minded in an office situation, or it might be repetitive stress from a lifting or a physical job. It might be technique in regards to the way that you're hitting your backhand in tennis or something along that line. Those things need to be evaluated effectively to normalise the problem, and so help from health professionals in that area is usually worthwhile. In order to maximise potential for recovery, other treatment techniques such as massage, ice, anti-inflammatories can be used, and certainly the taping is a good potential helper when it comes to minimising pain and maximising your function. To keep it on effectively, we like to try and minimise the use of massage oils and lotions and moisturisers around the area, reduce excessive hair, careful when you're putting clothing on so you don't peel the edges of the taping off, particularly where it crosses itself. When you're showering, you can pat it dry to make sure that the tape doesn't peel. And same in bed, sometimes it'll peel where sheets and blankets touch the tape. So if you can put something over there, a sleeve of a long sleeve top, then that will help too. So for more information about Dr. K Kinesiology Tape, visit sportstrap.com.au.